This is a WECT Cape Fear Business Break.
Hi there, thanks for tuning in. Today we have in the studio with us Rob Burton, Vice President of Crawford Door Systems. Good to see you, Rob.
Thanks for having me.
Does Crawford Door Systems service commercial, industrial doors and, say, dock equipment?
Yes, we do. We handle pretty much any type of upward acting door, folding doors, loading dock equipment such as dock levelers, and so on and so forth.
And we know that residential garage doors need to be serviced annually. What about commercial doors?
Commercial doors maybe even more so because the commercial products are constantly being used. Most of these plant sites that are close to us are 24/7. So that means those garage doors, the loading dock systems are being used constantly. With that happening, they definitely need maintenance. They need to be looked at usually about every 6 months just to make sure everything is working properly.
Now, do you service the garage doors for first responders?
Yes, fire stations, EMS, and any of the medical facilities, healthcare facilities. And the same thing applies there. These days, fire stations use all different types of products, whether it's a four-fold type fast-acting door to a typical sectional garage door, and they all require maintenance.
All right. Anything else that we need to know?
As far as our area is concerned, we service pretty much anything from the Jacksonville area all the way down to South Carolina.
All right, Rob, thanks so much. You can learn more about commercial doors and service by going to the website, and that's crawforddoorsystems.com.
This has been a WECT Cape Fear Business Break.